What's up guys, welcome back to Aesthetic Culture. My name is Eric and today we're going to be doing a review of my BMW 228i. Now for those who saw last video, yes, I'm still running the Stage 2 tune on an E30 map. This car has actually been very reliable. Then again, I've been on top of my maintenance. I do my oil change every 3,000 miles. If I get lazy, maybe 4,500. The point of today's video is kind of giving an update on my tune as well as other modifications that I've done to my car. I do videos, by the way, car videos and all that stuff. So if you guys want to go check out the other videos, make sure you go do so. Now, don't mind the sweat. We're in Florida. What can you say? Anyways, let's get to it. We're gonna do a quick review on this. Now the wheels that I'm running are called ESRs. They are CS12s in Hyper Silver. They are 18-inch wheels by 9.5 width. I'm running two 15/35 tires as well, and I am on BC Coilovers Extreme Low. I ended up changing the front bumper. I went with the M2 conversion that you can find on Aeuroplug.com. Wow, just look at that front bumper and that exposed intercooler. Doesn't she look nice? All right guys, now we are inside of the car. We're gonna go ahead and take a drive. So that for those who didn't watch last video, you guys should go watch last video so you guys can kind of do like a comparison. But right now, the only difference between last video and this video is this video I'm running a transmission tune by boot mode. Last video I did not have a transmission tune. It was just a Stage 2 E30 tune. But right now I am on the Stage 2 E30 tune with a transmission tune as well. What are the differences? Now I shift at 3,000 RPMs and it makes a little, you know, the little fart. The little crackle, the little burble, you know, every time you shift and it goes. Exactly, it makes that noise now. And I don't have to be flooring it in order to do that. Before, I had to floor it over 4,000 RPMs and shift it in order to get that crackle pop. We're gonna start off by doing a launch, so get ready guys. Yeah, you see, I'm this low. I'm on coilovers. I'm taking a corner right now at 60 miles per hour. Do you hear any rubbing? I don't hear any rubbing. So, okay, now I'm taking a very sharp turn and I'm starting to hear a little bit of rubbing, but not big of a deal, you know, just suck it up. All right, we're gonna make a U-turn now. Wow. All right, so now we're gonna do a 40 roll. We're gonna do a 40 roll. I'm gonna be in second gear. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, pretty crazy. So the 0 to 60 that I've done recently on my car, I did a 4.8 0 to 60. That was the fastest that I could do, honestly. I used to do a 4.9 without the transmission tune. Now with the transmission tune, I could do a 4.8. It's pretty good, you know, it makes that difference. It was a 4.82, which is very low for, you know, being a 4.8. So pretty excited, you know, 4-cylinder doing its thing. I'm proud of you, Beamer. Anyways, whew. All right, we're gonna do one last launch. All right, guys. Yeah, that was a 0 to 60. So if you guys want to count however long it took, that's how my 0 to 60 is on skinny tires, on 215s. So mind you, if you upgrade your tires, you could be a lot grippier. All right, guys, so I know I showed you a little bit of clips. I didn't show you any outside clips. I don't have anybody with me right now, and I don't want to leave my camera on the side of the road. I don't have a tripod either, so I need to invest in one of those. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, just, you know, don't be afraid, comment down below. And if you guys could please do me a favor and like this video, I would really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm already at 420 something subscribers right now, which is a lot more than I could ever expect. My goal is to get over 1,000, so if you guys could please hit that subscribe button, I beg you, please. Anyways, I don't want to beg too much. All I want to do is provide you guys good BMW content. You guys take care. It's hot out here. Be safe. Peace out.